Boy, I tell you. Look what we got here. Take a little trip out, and that's what happens. But like I told y'all before, I'm not endorsing anything, and not sponsored by these people or nothing. You can always see what's wrong with your truck right here. 6-cylinder, it pretty much in the Derate stage. So we go ahead and get that fixed up and get on about it here. So you already know what's wrong with it. So they ain't got to run a diagnostic on it, but they can. But that's on their dollar, not on my dollar though. Valve adjustment. Man, you got to keep it tight. That's the only way. Well, that's all or nothing way, at least. Church